Okay, now here we need to find the value of x, right? For this question, actually you need to know some different theorem here. First thing is this one, different rule. When you have two line parallel, like this way, right? Two line parallel like this way, this angle plus this angle add up to 180. We normally call interior light angle, co-interior angle, or otherwise these two add up to 180. These two not equal, right? Like alternate angle, corresponding angle, like that, those are equal, no? But these two not equal. These two add up to 180. This plus this 180, interior light angle. So here also we can use that thing to find this angle. So this plus, they put now this arrowhead here and here also, so that means this angle plus this angle add up to 180. So this one should be how much? If this is 110, 110 subtract from 180, so you can get this one here 70, right? That's the thing. Okay, then now we need to find still this angle, right? To get to this angle, yeah, this is the thing. You need to know this is what we can call this is how many sides this one has. 1 2 3 4 5 sides, right? This is not regular pentagon. Sides are different, no? But this is a pentagon. So in a pentagon, these interior angles all together, interior angle all together, how much? How we can find it? Using this formula, no? We have learned this thing, 180 n minus 2, right? So 180, n mean here number of side, so that mean 5. Then right here, okay, bracket mean multiplication, 5 minus 2 mean 3. So here will be 540. But if you have remember this one, it's okay, you can use even that value, 540 for pentagon. In a pentagon, interior angle altogether 540. So now you can write this all four angle plus this angle, right, will be equal to 540, right? That means this is the interior angle, this is the interior angle, like that, no? So okay, I will put for this one now here I will put a or something like that, right? Then I can write what the 70 plus 110 plus 140 plus 90 plus this a, right? A equal what the 540. Then I can get a, that means this angle, right? Then here will be what the 0 9 plus 13 13 plus 14 14 plus 7 21, here 1 2 remain. So here will be 2 plus 1 3 3 plus 1 4 410 plus a, so equal here 540. Now a 410 bring to this side, so 540 minus 410, so here will be what the 130, a equal 130. Okay, then you know what the final step, 130 plus 2x, this is angle on a straight line, right? This two angle on a straight line, so you can find x. But the 130 plus 2x will be equal to 180, angle on a straight line, no? So here 2x 180 minus 130, so here will be 50, right? 2x equal 50, then both side divide by 2, so you can get value of the x equal 25 degrees, right?